Hi, I'm Andy from Quick to Draw, and today I'm going to show you some really fun, quick, easy animation using very cheap and even free apps off the iTunes store. Okay, so today we're going to do this little Parisian bouchon frise because I'm in Paris at the moment, and I'm going to quickly draw him for you, and then we're going to pop him into an animation app. So here we go. I'm actually going to take the background away. You can see where I press the tick box, and that means my animal has disappeared. So I'm just going to show you the reason why I'm going to do that in a minute. We've now got to draw the little bouchon frise. Little eyes. Yellow mouth. And they're almost round. I'm going to do that again. Do it like that in one go. Bouchon frise. On his push scooter, but it's not actually a push scooter. I love this. The French now have an amazing electric scooter that you get an app, you put your credit card on it, and you have to push the first 2 steps, and then it takes off. It's charged up by some guy who drives around in a truck with a battery. They're very heavy, so you can't steal them. The French have totally nailed this with an eco-friendly form of transport. And this green area is actually a battery. I'm just going to get this to behave itself. This is a green battery, and you can see on your app on a map where the scooters are. They have a red light at the back and a fluorescent blue light at the bottom so people can see you at night, which is very, very cool. And this is why I'm going to show you this cool bit here. I'm going to rub out that line there. I have to color the dog in white. I'm under the drawing line in the layer. I'll show you. I'm on this blue area, which means that I'm not drawing over the white, the black lines. Here we go. So this is very basic drawing of a bouchon frise. What I love about these dogs is you can't tell which end's the front, which is the back. And I also, personally, I love dogs. Any dogs, big dogs, small dogs. And this one really sums up Paris. So red light on the top, and we're now going to take this little character and we're going to put him in front of the Eiffel Tower, passing by on his electric scooter. So the way we do that is we share the blue, press PNG, we're saving it, and now we're going to go into this orange box animation desk. There's one I did previously, so I'm going to get rid of him and show you how we do that. Okay, so Paris, I literally go into static and it shows me my file. I press on Paris and now it's my background. Okay, so that's my background in layers. Now the orange line is showing me which layer I'm in. I'm going to add our little dog. Okay, don't worry about the size. This little arrow here up and down lets me choose the size. I'm going to have him start somewhere around here. Okay, and we're going to have him going across like that. And it is super easy. Just want him up a bit so that he doesn't... Okay, where is he? Sorry, I was supposed to save him. I'm going to use this one. I'm being a bit naughty because I just noticed he's got a bit more detail. I'm going to shrink him down a bit down there. What I didn't do last time was I didn't paste him. So now he's on there. See? Press paste. I'm now going to press on that right hand round button, and there's a pair of scissors here. Very cool. I do a circle and I cut, and now on the left hand side you see what looks like a washing board, and I scroll down with my thumb. Should have worked. Right, let me paste him again. Scroll down. You see that green? Doesn't always work first time. Paste. Press paste. Scroll on the left hand side. Click on paste. Seems tedious. Paste, but you'll see in a second how quickly it works. And if I wanted, I can have my dog flying through the air. Should we do that? Oops, I forgot to paste. Let's go back. There we go. Paste. And if I really wanted to, I can start turning him up, press paste, slide, twist him a bit, paste, slide. That's how easy this is. I have to say though that these apps are incredible, but they are not user friendly in that you're wondering what button means what, and they kind of leave you to find this out trial by error, and it can be very frustrating. As you can see, I have spent hours doing this, and you just sometimes wonder if it's worth it, but we're having fun. This green thing is called an onion. Let's hope this Bouchon Frise makes it without coming down, without landing on his head. Now, animations are very clever. Animation artists have a system where they actually place the character in 3 spots so they know where they want it to land. I haven't done that because this is just a easy lesson and there's always more detail, but we haven't got time for that. We just want to see in the quickest possible way. I'm just going to add more. I'm pressing the left hand. You see a square with a cross in it. I'm adding more pages. I need, just going to go back a bit. I'm going to paste that. Okay, down our dog goes. And he's made it. So let's go to the beginning and see what this dog can do. Whee! Bouchon Frise. Whee, Paris. Nice one.